Okay guys, welcome to my channel. With this video guys, I want to show you my secret and my killer method how to promote a Clickbank affiliate link, how to choose your product and how to promote your link with my secret traffic. This traffic is very cheap traffic, and you can get thousands of visitors to your product. This very cheap traffic. So step number one, let's go and choose our product. With this video guys, I want to choose YouTube niche. Okay, so let's go to Clickbank and find YouTube. Okay, we have here some of a product that we can choose and promote. This product is let's say a good product that you can promote and get a conversion. So let's go to let's check this product. Okay, like you see here, this is a good product, and the reason you have here a good and catchy title and the video here. Nice product. I like this product. Let's see. Okay, so I will use this product to promote with my secret traffic. You can see here there is a lot of product. Please don't choose the same product. You can find more and more product here, a good product that you can promote. Okay, so let's take our affiliate link. Okay, let's click create, and this is our affiliate link. So let's copy and close this window. Okay, now guys, I want to show you how you can get unlimited traffic to your affiliate link. You can see here, this is online traffic right now, like you see here, and a lot of traffic comes from USA. Okay, we need traffic from USA. This is a good traffic, like you see here right now, a lot of traffic. Okay, this is a worldwide traffic, but we can see here a lot of traffic from United States. So this is a good traffic for our affiliate link. Okay, okay, so how to promote, how to choose this, how to get this traffic to our affiliate link. All you have to do guys is go to turbo website traffic. Okay, this is the logo. You can see here, if you click the logo, you can see a different product here. Okay, you can click one more time, and you can see more and more product with this website. More product. Okay, a lot of product. You can see here right now, visitors online, over 4,000 visitors on this website. Okay, Look at this. This is amazing traffic. You can get unlimited traffic to your website from this website. Okay, turbo website trafic.com. You can see here the link. So how to add your affiliate link to this website? All you have to do, you have here advertising. Okay, advertising. So click advertising and you have here a form. Okay, so all you have to do, guys, is type your name here and your email and put your URL here. Okay, you don't need to short your link, and you don't need to use a domain or anything else. You can put your link here exactly and choose your package. You can get with this product 1 million visitors to your website, guys. Okay, you can get 1 million visitors, but right now I will choose 100,000 visitors, okay, for this test. And if I get a commission, so I will use more. Okay, so let's click this package and click this checkbox. Okay, you have to read their terms because they don't accept any affiliate link. Okay, but they accept a Clickbank affiliate link. It's okay. So we are good to go, and then click order. Now you have to check your name here and your /email and your link. Okay, don't forget to choose this. Okay, http // okay, don't forget to put this link like this, exactly like this, and check your package if this what you need to your product, and then go to PayPal to buy this package. After you do this, my friend, you can get this traffic to your affiliate link. You can use this traffic for anything. Okay, you can I already promote my landing page. I am building my list with this traffic. I am promoting my CPA offers, like Max Bounty CPA offers, and I promote my personal website, and I am getting this traffic and a lot of traffic from USA. So that's this is a good traffic. Okay, this is a good traffic that you can use and get traffic and sales from this traffic from USA. Okay, I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please hit like, and thank you for watching, and have a good luck. Thank you very much.